Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a handy new update on Discord that lets you view all chat links easily on your PC. So if you're looking to find shared links in your chats or servers, stick around. First things first, go ahead and open your Discord app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the chat or server where you want to search for links. It could be a specific conversation you've had or a busy server filled with messages. Next, look for the search bar at the top right corner of the page. It's a powerful little tool that can help you sift through all that text in just a few clicks. Now, here's the magic part. In that search bar, type has link and hit enter. This simple command will filter out all messages containing links. It's a real game changer for anyone who's trying to track down where a specific link was shared without scrolling endlessly through chat history. Once you've entered the command, you'll see a list of all the messages that contain links. Browse through them to find exactly what you're looking for. Whether it's an important file, a funny meme, or a useful reference, all those links are now at your fingertips. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to uncover all the links shared in your Discord chats. We hope this guide helps you navigate Discord like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy chatting!